वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट टेस्ट सितंबर 2021 मार्क्स 25 स्टैंडर्ड 4 टाइम है इसका 1 आवर। एनवायरमेंटल स्टडी, इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द मेजर फंक्शन ऑफ द गिवन एनिमल्स। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन द क्वीन बी, द आंसर इज टू ले लॉट्स ऑफ एग। सेकंड द वर्कर बी, द आंसर इज हाउस कीपिंग फीडिंग द क्वीन। The queen drones and larvae collecting the pollen and nectar and making the wax. The queen ant, the answer is to lay eggs. Fourth, the soldier ant, the answer is to protect the colony and help carry the heaviest load of prey to the colony by walk. Next question, the worker ant. The answer is they are responsible for the harmonious operation of the colony. Their task range from caring for the queen and the young, foraging policies, conflict in the colony and waste disposal. Question 2, answer the following question. In first question, during which month do honeybee lays egg? The answer is honeybees lays their egg from October to December. Question 2, which signal do a honeybee give by doing special kind of dance? The answer is the dance is a type of communication for bee. It is done to give other bees information about the direction and distance to flower that have nectar or pollen, or both. It is also used to tell the bees where water can be found. The dance is used for bees to get other to help them collect resources for the hive. Question 3, how do the worker bees prepare honey? The answer is bees start making honey, which is their food, by visiting flower. They collect a sugary juice called nectar from the blossom by sucking it out with their tongues. They store it in what's called their honey stomach, which is different from their food stomach. When they have a full load, they fly back to the hive. There they pass it on through their mouth to other worker bees, who chew it for about half an hour. It's passed from bees to bee until it gradually turns into honey. Then the bees store it in honeycomb cells, which are like tiny jars made of wax. Question 3, filling the given blanks. First, Narmada is the biggest river of Gujarat. Second, the river Tapi is near Surat city. Third, Surajbari bridge is known as the entrance to Kutch. Fourth, lychee grows in summer season. Fifth, Surat city is famous for diamond industry. Fourth question, answer the following questions. In first question, which railway station is known as junction? The answer is railway station from which two or more railway lines separate and go in different direction are known as junction. Question 2, which facility are provided in the train? The answer is there are common coaches as well as AC coaches in train, as coaches have sleeping berths, sheets and blanket for the night, snack and meal, air conditioner and stand for magazines and dailies. The window of AC coaches and made of glass and are air tight in second and first class AC coaches. The seats are more comfortable, there are more facilities and it is less crowded. In a common coach, one can travel standing if there is no seat available. Question 3. Name any 4 railway stations that you see on the way from Gandhidham to Vapi. The answer is Samkhyali, Ahmedabad, Bharuch and Surat are the 4 railway stations between Gandhidham and Vapi. Question 5th. Give meaning of the following words. In first point, railway crossing, the answer is the place where a railway road track crosses a road at the same level. Second point, salt maker, the answer is a manufacturer of salt. Third point, platform, the answer is a railway platform is an area alongside a railway track providing convenient access to train. Fourth, main junction of district, the answer is a junction in the context of railway transport is a place at which 2 or more rail routes converge or diverge. Fifth, ticket checker, the answer is a ticket checker is a person who examines ticket before allowing people to enter areas only accessible to valid टिकट होल्डर. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये टेस्ट यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.